Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors.
Today we're installing an attic access door. We're installing an attic access door that's very similar to an entry door or an interior door. It's hinged on one side with a handle on the other, but in this case it's going to be short, tall enough for Corey but too short for me, and it will gain access to his attic space off of the bonus room upstairs.
So we just special ordered a solid core door. I ordered it with weather stripping because I wanted it airtight to keep all the heat in there and not out here.
What tools are we going to need to get this job done today?
Well, we're going to need a 5 or 6 foot level. We're going to need a square.
Yeah.
We're going to need some 2.5 or 3 inch screws, a drill, shims.
Shims are going to be your best friend for this project.
Yep, a knife, tape measure, and a pre-drill with a countersink bit.
Yep, that's a good idea.
Kind of a specialized tool. So pretty straightforward. Should we get going?
Yep, let's do it.
And it looks pretty good. So we're ready to put the door in the hole.
You notice that there is a plug here that holds the door closed in the jamb. Corey tells me it's called a chick plug. You want to take the chick plug out before you can start to fasten the door. Otherwise, you won't be able to get it out. You got to be able to reach the edge of the jamb to do it.
Very nice. So next what I'm going to do is take a drill, a pre-drill with a countersink bit on it, and I'm going to pre-drill 3 holes on my hinge side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop 3 screws in here and not tighten them all the way. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to take shims, fill all the gaps between, on the hinge side, between our jamb and the wall, like we have here, and tighten these screws up. So now we're just making sure that the edges of our jambs are all square, and that looks really good right there. That looks pretty good right there. Perfect. All right, the door is all installed. The only thing we have to do is trim off these shims. So we're gonna do that with our handy dandy multi-tool here, and we'll be done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.